Lagyan mo na 1.
Counted. Foul, jersey number 19, the first personal foul and first team foul. On the shot for Sir Cadigoy. Same ball. 5 seconds. 3 points. Sir Hookah. Rebounded by Sir Solitario. Nice pass. Easy 2 points, Sir Hechona. Ten seconds. Nice pass. Unsuccessful nga lang. Steal. So tight. Easy 2 points. Solitario, no good. Steal. We've gone 3 versus 1. Easy 2 points, Sir Cadigoy. Sir Cadigoy. Easy 2 points, Sir Cadigoy. Ten seconds. Linus ball.
Wala daw muna sabi niya sa akin. Wala eh. Ibig sabihin wala eh. Tapos si Pampalo sa anak. Mabait yun. Nag-message niya sa akin eh. Ewan ko lang baka inisip niya ako sa sili. Sabi niya small world daw eh. Malamang yun.
Sir Cadigoy, isa, nagmamadali. Fade away shot, no good. Rebounded by Sir Josre. Change Team foul. Jersey number 8. Rebounded by Solitario. Sercadigo. Passes Serpendon. Easy 2 points, Serpendon. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Seconds. 14 seconds. Nice. Nice shot. Seconds. Rebounded by Sergio Chona. Rhinos ball. Foul. Foul, jersey number 12, Serpendon. And that's his first personal foul and first team foul. Seconds. 3 seconds violation. Rhinos ball. Block. 10 seconds. Easy 2 points. Solitario, Hesi, perimeter shot, follow-up shot, 2 points. Foul! First personal foul and second team foul. Out of bounds, Highness ball. One minute. Same ball. Runners ball. Foul. Foul, jersey number 25, Sir Solitario. And that's his second personal foul and third team foul. Rebounded by Serpent Ball. Yes, nagmamadali 3 versus 3. Nice pass! Hindi lang nasa lunong maayos. No shot clock, 21.8. No shot clock, 21.8. Sayang. Rebounded by Serpent Ball. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Buzzer beater ah.
Buzzer beater. Official score 17-15. Out of bounds, Rhinos ball. Linus ball. Sir Cadigoy, pasok sa gitna. Easy 2 points, Sir Cadigoy. Kick ball. Sir Hechona tumira ng 3. No good. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Ruggang. Easy 2 points, Sir Cadigoy. Nice pass. Fade away shot. Pushing. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 12. Serpent Ball. That's his second personal foul and first team foul. Nice pass. Follow-up shot, no good. Tough shot, 2 points, Sir Ruggang. Fade away shot, 2 points, Sir Liman. Rodling. Who's foul rep?
Dalawa pa lang nakalagay.
Ay, ano pa? Ano pa lang po? Sinipal po siya.
Second team foul. Follow-up shot is good by Sir Hukka. Follow-up shot is good by Sir Liman.
Anong liman? Liman?
Rebounded by Sir Lapita. Sir Cadigo yung nagmamadali 3 versus 3. Nakita si Sir Wukang. Foul. Foul. First personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Wukang. Rebounded by Sir Henchana. Steal. Sir Cadigo mag-isa na naman. Laid it up and good. 2 points. Sir Cadigo nakita sa ilalim. Jersey number 1. No good. Sir Lavita, no good. Rebounded by jersey number 1. Sir Quantity versus Luke. Kanya pa rin.
Ay, sa...
Rebounded by Sir Pendon. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 shots good. Change by.
Pang my day na si Ats.
Seconds. Steal.
Oy!
Serve pa sa Sir Cadigoy. Steal yan. Another steal. Sa kanya pa rin. Follow-up shot. Super. Sir Solitario.
Patlikod nga!
Steal. Sir Cadigoy 1 versus 2. Naghahanap ng papasahan. 2 versus 3, 4 versus 3. Pasa Sir T. Guzman. Nakita si jersey number 21. Orange nagmamadali 3 versus 3. Umikot na si Sir Wukang. Gogo. Sir Liman. 3 versus 3. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 25. And that's his 4th personal foul and 3rd team foul.
Penalty na.
Fourth na po. Kanina dito.
Wala pa siya dapat pala. Tatlo pala.
Venus ball. Rebounded by Sergio Guzman.
Offensive.
Offensive foul. Sergio Guzman, first personal foul. Rebounded by Sir Livan, 2 points.
Dalawang laro pa lang yun.
Sergio Guzman nagmamantala 3 versus 3. Pasa Sir Gadigoy. Nakita si Sir jersey number 21. No good. Rebounded by Sir Solitario.
Nakikita mo sa benches. Ayun ang kanina.
Who shot is good. 2 points.
High school ata.
Ayun nga, junior high.
Nice pass. 2 points. Sir Liman.
Watch stop!
Rhinos nagmamadali 2 versus 2. Nakapasok sa gitna. Easy 2 points. Sir Josre. Rhinos ball. 1 minute.
Time up daw, pwede tayo.
Wow.
Warning pa lang sir, warning. Okay.
Foul Sir Gadigoy. First personal foul and warning for penalty.
Tawis, lagay mo lagi yung foul dyan.
Follow up. 2 points. Sir Liman.
Ay!
Nakita si Sir Josre. Nag-iisa. Easy 2 points. One second differential. Tough shot, 2 points. Sir Buka. 10 seconds, no shot clock. 5 seconds. Three-ball basket. Sir Buka. Dapat 5 points yun. Grabe.
Bakit 40 lang? Dapat 5 points yun, 42. Ah! Sana na video
Parang yung na-shoot na. Na-videoan yung na-shoot na. Hindi ko sure.
Pagawin sa akin, nakaupo na ako, nakagawin na ako. Wala ko pang mic eh. Ayaw ka na kami pala. Aning pa anin, pagtapos yung ganyan, o, wala na yung place na ba, no, ha? O, kuha mo yung page mo, diba? Meron kayo, ano eh, 1 dribble. Wala. Mas maganda yung formula eh. Pag nag-1 dribble na, kahit step back, 1 dribble. Yung na-shoot kanina. Sakto na nangyari yung sakto nasa saday.
Grabe. 90% free throw.
Ay! Pre! Masunod.
Official ball.
Ayun po yung official ball natin.
O, dito ko
Hindi pa po yung mga
$75%.
Grabe na compute mo pa yun, pre.
Official score.
Josre, mamaya na yung play.
36-40. Hello. Rebounded by Serpent Ball. Tough shot, 2 points, serve of God. Serve of God ay mamadali. Pumasok na naman sa gitna. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass to jersey number 21. 10 seconds. Nice pass. Easy 2 points. Serpent Ball. Serpent Ball na naman. Pinasa kay Sir Wolfgang. Tinitingnan si Sir Chona kung kakayanin ba. Wala. Ang taas. Grabe naman yun. Kuha ni Sir Liman. Nasa jersey number 38. Pumasok si Sir Liman. Easy 2 points.
Ay, grabe!
2 points.
Pinikpikan! Amaro.
Perimeter shot. No good. Easy 2 points. Namamagana ang kalamangan ng Kainas. Sir Chona anong gagawin? Pinasa kay Sir Liman. 2 points. Sir Wolfgang, tinatansya. Pinasok na. Follow-up shot. Wala pa rin. Sir Amaro, wala pa rin. Place. Jersey number 1. 2 points. Wow. Who's foul ref? Foul, jersey number 19. And that's his second personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Wolfgang. Rebounded by Sir Chona. Seconds. 5 seconds. Passes Sir Liman. Balik kay Sir Chona. Easy 2 points, Sir Chona. Sir Wolfgang pa rin.
Matakot talaga yung talo ni Wolf.
Who's foul ref? Foul, jersey number 4, Sir. Top shot, 2 points. Sir Lima. Steal. Jersey number 25. Passes Sir J for 3. Bang! 3 points.
13 pa, 13.
Seconds. Sir Amado. Passes Sir Pendon. 3-point basket by Sir Pendon. Steal. Sir Rogan. Passes sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Sir Chona. Same ball. 15 seconds.
Wala pa.
Passes Sir jersey number 19, 2 points. Jersey number 1 nagmamadali. Nakita, nasipat. Nakita si Sir J mag-isa. Hinabol ni Sir Rupga. 2 versus 2. Balik ni Sir J. May tiwala ang kampi mo. Loco. Sir Rupga, no good. Sir Amado, follow-up shot, 2 points. Change 5. Rebounded by Sir Solidario. Nice recovery. Passing jersey number 1. Perimeter shot, harap-harapan yun. 2 points, Sir Di Guzman.
Sana na video niyo. Hindi naman. Talaga yun. Ano pumili mo sa Nike sa kapon?
2 points, Sir Di Guzman.
Say, 50% lahat.
Sir Solidario, pass to jersey number 1. Balik kay Sir Solidario, foul.
Saan ka pumunta? Nakabarin? Oo.
Foul. Sir Hachana, that's his second personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Solidario.
Sa outlet yun, nakasulila, tapos 50%. Oo. Magkansa niya si Doc Lima. Doc Lima. Section 1 yung dati, di ba? May section 1. Doc na pa rin siya. Doc natin ngayon, si ano, Doc Alinya. Magpilisaan sa inyo.
Rebounded by Sir Solidario.
Bigay. Oo. Bigay ko doon.
Sir Amaro, pumasok sa gitna.
Sa research.
Foul.
Research mo. Kaya nga research na. Ay, hindi ata. Ang research namin si Doc Alinya.
Who's foul rep?
Sa qualitative ba? Quantitative and basta yun. Basta research. Scaling. Data scaling.
First personal foul and third team foul.
Kami puro ano, taga-Caloocan. SD. Walang Ilan. Naiba lang sa amin yung si Doc John, taga-UCC. Mabait naman yun. Siya thesis ano ko yun. Professor dati. Saan niya ako nagpagit. Bumalik ako doon is dalawang beses. May dalawang beses lahat ako pumunta sa akin.
Nice shot, 2 points, Sir Liman. Sir Tarigoy, naghanap ng papasaan, pumasok sa gitna. Nakita si Quick Guzman, pasok Sir Solitario. Rebounded by Sir. No good. Sir Liman mag-isa, hinahabol ni Sir Tarigoy. No problem, 2 points, Sir Liman. Sir Amaro, Eurostep, 2 points. Foul.
Uy! Grabe naman yun. Ina mo, nag-PE. Rolling ball yan. Sir Mark! Sir Digos, okay lang? Nag-iiwan-iwan eh. Kaya pag nag-egg roll eh. Kaya pag ganyan kami nung college, nakakaingat eh. Oh, nakakain na egg roll lang pa na kailangan.
Rebounded by Sir Lima. Wow! 2 points, Sir Jose. Steal. Save ball. Highness ball. Sir Amaro pumapasok sa gitna. Foul. Sir Josre, third personal foul and warning for penalty. Fadeaway shot. No good. Highness ball. Pasok Sir Guzman. Ito si Sir Amaro. Pasok sa gitna. Nakita si Sir 2 points. There's number 1. Timeout. Gray Rhinos. Official score 59-73. 14-point lead for Orange Highness. Minute. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Off step. 2 points. Sir Joseph. Sir Amaro pasok sa gitna. No step. 2 points. By Sir Solitario. Sir Carigoy perimeter shot. No goal. Rhinos 3 versus 2. Sir Josh Ray na naman. 2 points. Last shot. 4 seconds. 2 points. Rebounded by Sir Liman. Umikot na. Wala pa rin. Versus 1. Nakita si Sir Amaro.
Time out, time out. Sir, dalawa lang. Nag-time out ko yung third eh. Hindi. Kamali siya. Ano ba talaga? Nung third na, time out na. Dalawa.
10 seconds. Grabe naman yun. 2 points. Sir Josre. Babasa 11 points. Grabe. Babasa siyam. Single digit na lang hinahabol ng Gray Rhinos. Seconds. Follow-up shot is good by Sir Pendor.
Nakapulot pa. Nakapulot pa.
Sir Caligo nagmamadali 3 versus 2. Diretso na. No good. Rebounded by Sir Amaro.
Head ball, sir.
Perimeter shot. 2 points. Sir Cadigoy. Parang luka. Follow-up shot. It's good.
Buhat mo da!
Luka Doncic.
Sige, sabi ko mamaya. Ay, mamaya bisa ko. Pag nakashoot.
Rebounded by Sir Chona. Pass to Sir Liman. 1 versus 2. Fadeaway shot. Rebounded by Sir Cadigoy. Sir Cadigoy nagpapadali. Nakita ang butas sa gitna. Pass to Sir Wolfgang.
Time out. Orange, time out. Pasok na yung saba. Substitution sila, rep.
Time out. Top shot. 2 points. Sir Wolfgang. Rebounded by Sir Wolfgang. Unsuccessful lang. Vanus ball. Sir Chona. Nagpapasayaw. Pass to Sir Josre. Perimeter shot. 2 points. Sir Josre. Follow-up shot is good. 2 points. Point lead for Orange Highness. 10 seconds. Medyo malakas lang. Substitution rep. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Good po, good. Sir Liman nakita si Sir Chona, pa si Sir Josre. Balik kay Sir Chona, 10 seconds. 5 seconds, steal. Orange Highness nagmamadali 4 versus 1. Nakita si Sir Digsman, kaso hindi nakuha. Blocking foul. Foul jersey number 4, Sir Wolfgang. That's it. Second personal foul and second team foul. Woo! Traveling. Nice defense. Last 2 minutes. Who's foul ref? Foul jersey number 25, Sir Cadigoy. 24, sorry. Third personal foul and third team foul. Kaluluwa nakita si Sir Jos Ray. 3-meter shot is good. Akin pa rin yan, sabi ni Sir Wolfgang. 2 points. Siyempre ko nagmamadali, nakita si Judge number 1. 2 points. Out of bounds, Highness ball. Nakita na naman si jersey number 1. Follow-up shot, 2 points. Sir Solitario. Woo! 2 points, Sir Liman. Sir De Guzman. Pasa Sir Wolfgang. Nagpapasayaw. Umikot na. Out of 2 points, jersey number 25. Seconds. 5 seconds. Sir Chona nagmamadali. Foul. Sir Gadigoy, warning for graduate and warning for penalty. Timeout. Ray Riders. 2 points. Ay. Sergio, personal foul and second team foul.
May 5 naman na kayo, no? 1, 2, 3. Si ano pa? Cedric, lumakad. Tapos may dumating
16.7. Apo, second personal foul. Sir Wolfgang, pasok sa gitna. 2 points, Sir Wolfgang. Sir Chona, foul. Foul, Sir Wolfgang. Third personal foul and penalty. Two shots for Sir Wolfgang. Penalty po rin, penalty. Ah, Sir Chona pala.
bawal yung ganun, rep.
Bawal na yun. 10.3. Foul. Sir Chona, third personal foul and third team foul. 8.7. Grabe, importante ang quotient. Sir Jos Ray, graduate. Fourth team foul.
Iapat na lang sila. Rest mo!